To use your Bevel Layer Styles, you'll first want to make sure your Styles window is open. To do so, go to Window and click on Styles. Next, you'll come over to your Styles panel, click on Load Styles, and then open the styles we're going to be working with, which is You've Got Styles Bevels. Next, it is important to make sure that your image is set to high resolution because these files are created in high resolution. So make sure Resample is unchecked, and then if you're working with 72 DPI or 96, change it to 300 DPI. You can change the DPI back to low resolution once your file is flattened or your layers are merged. So make sure that's set to 300 and click OK. Now, you can use these layer styles to create a gloss or embossed effect simply by clicking on them, and you can see what it will do to your original image. But what we want to do is add depth and dimension to an existing image. So to do so, you simply right-click, duplicate your layer, and then you add your layer styles on top of the copy layer. To add even more dimension, double-click on your Styles effect and add a drop shadow. And that's it, depth and dimension with just one click.